This doesn't look familiar at all.
Yeah, it's got the solenoid there for changing over the cams. It's like the Nissan version of VTEC.
Huh.
Yeah, they go great on the DET bottom ends. So the Sylvia guys, 180SXs and stuff. Yeah, fantastic upgrade.
And they take the turbocharging like
Yeah.
normal stuff does?
Yeah, this actually came out with a version of this motor that was turbocharged.
In this body?
No.
Oh, that'd be cool.
An X-Trail.
I'm sorry?
X-Trail, like a four-wheel drive.
Oh, right.
Yep. Yeah. They had, I think it's like 280 horsepower stock. Only came out in an auto, I think. But yeah, this is made it to a 6-speed manual. Yeah, really fun car to drive, actually.
Nissan Primera. Looks like he came a while. Thanks for driving this far to this meet.
Yeah.
Got splattered.
Yeah. And I ran out of white fluid on the way here, so.
Oh.
Yeah, no good. But sunroof. So.
Yeah, we can close that. It'll help with the wind noise.
Yeah. You'll have to push the clutch in to start it too.
Okay. That's interesting that goes back and hides away as well.
Yeah, all by itself, yeah.
Huh. Whoa, okay.
Yeah.
It's a tray, but then I gotta look at this.
Yeah. So if you want to turn it off.
And if I turn the heat down, what year is this?
2002.
This is way advanced.
Yeah.
For what we're used to in 2002, this sort of climate control.
This is the 20V model. It's the like the sport version of the P12. And they came out in the wagon, a sedan, and a hatchback as well. You can turn it off by that if you want.
Ah. Okay, that's a heavy clutch.
Yep.
Heavier than what I expected.
Yep.
Is it supposed to be that way?
Yep. It's a twin mass flywheel, so it's quite.
And they sold them like that.
Yeah, twin mass flywheel like the Altezas and stuff. But yeah, quite a heavy clutch because they a bit torquey and heavy car. So to go into reverse, there's like a wee sleeve. Yeah, pull up, and then that's reverse there.
Yep.
And you've got a reversing camera there.
You don't have any room behind you though.
No.
Right.
Well, yeah, you do. Look at that. Yeah.
I'm gonna go forward.
Yeah.
All right, so it's got American style power steering.
What do you mean by that?
Nice and mashed potato-y. Oh my gosh, your son.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, we're just gonna have to crack these or put the AC on full blast, and something happened with this window that it isn't.
The worst thing about these cars is the electrics. I'm not sure if I'm right here, but I think the electrics were European electrics or something. So yeah, they're the worst thing about the car.
So now my window is just down.
Yeah, it's if you jiggle the switch, you can get it up, but.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
Brian, what have you known? You learn when you get into other people's cars, ask before you do the simplest things, because you never know what's broken. Which way is a good way to go?
Well, I'm going to say that way.
Yep.
To the right?
Yep, to the right.
Okay.
More interesting stuff down that way.
No one coming, no one coming, no one coming. Here I go.
It makes a lovely noise as well.
Is this
on the cams.
Is this a one-way? Because I don't know, in New Zealand sometimes it's dual carriageway.
This is the one we couldn't come up before.
Oh, okay.
So if we turn right at the end of this, we can do the loop back to how we got here in the first place.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so the cams switch over at about 5,000 RPM, and yeah, it just makes a lovely sound when you get up there. The induction noise is fantastic.
Brian, watch the road. Do not look at the view. With the trestle bridge and the mountains behind and the pine trees everywhere. Sorry that they're invasive. I'm getting a little bit of Saturn ion going on here with these gauges. But it's all good.
Yeah. Feel free to glance it if you want. Move it up.
I will. Who's gonna be my go gear?
Yeah, it's got pretty long legs, so
that belies the outward experience. Oh, and the red line is almost at 8,000.
Yeah.
Out of a station wagon.
Yep.
It still's got more of a... Yeah, you could, like, on this stuff, you just keep it in 2. This is alright.
The handle's quite good as well. It's doesn't have much body roll, especially for a station wagon.
Yeah, you have to get it up there.
Yeah.
Is this a 1.8 liter?
2 litre.
Nice.
It's a SR20 VE.
VE. Again, stuff that the people in the comments will tell me. Oh, are they pulling over for us? Or are they going a different way? Turn right?
I'd say so.
Yep. Oh, yep. Give it some Monty from first, mate.
There it is. Oh, you can see like after like just a hair past 7 is where it's dropping off again.
Yeah, I think it's going in like off the high can.
Okay.
I'm not sure why. The previous owner was a mum, obviously because it's a mum wagon, and
Right.
they never got into the high RPM and the solenoid was all clogged up, so I had to get some solvent in there and unclog it. But I'm gonna disassemble.
Was this the turn in?
Yes.
Yeah.
How's your brakes? Oh, sorry. Task saturation.
Yeah.
Because I thought, oh, I have to turn there. Different side of the road, manual transmission. I forgot which direction the cars go. For a split second, everything turned into pudding, and it's like I forgot my lines in a school play. That's what that felt like.
You're doing pretty well for driving on the wrong side of the road, though.
Thank you, sir. And I just had to count my gears. I'm in 4th gear.
Yeah, you can go into 6th gear if you want. It feels like reverse. It's really strange.
Oh, 6th gear?
Yep. Yeah, back. There you go. 6.
How's this window? Is it doing anything yet?
Kind of grab it and just kind of jiggle it while you hold it up. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it.
A little bit more?
There's a tiny little spot that it works. Nice.
Alright. Not gonna touch that.
Yeah, so the cylinder head from this car, yeah, fits on the Sylvia engine blocks and stuff, mine at work. And yeah, it's like a huge upgrade because with the stock DET and the DE heads, they've got those floating rockers that when you rev them up and hit the limiter and stuff, it can spit the rockers. But with this, the rockers are actually retained via a shaft. So
do I have the right of way coming in here?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now you do, yeah.
Oh, I3.
Yeah.
I'm just looking for a cul-de-sac, which I don't know if it's a thing in New Zealand.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Is that someone's driveway?
You just turn around in this intersection, that's what I'd do. Like swing out to the left and turn around.
Alright. You said the turning circle is... Yep.
Yeah, it's really bad, yeah. But yeah, you definitely need the reversing camera, I'll tell you that. Beat everything. Feel that small kick at 5,000?
Yeah. It's like... Oop. Yeah, it's between 5 and 7 is the fun part, and that's a long bit to keep the car in the happy zone.
Yeah.
But again, like I suppose maybe a V6 Accord wagon would be an equivalent of this, or
I mean,
maybe a Mazda 6 GT wagon.
This is like if you had like an Accord wagon with an Integra Type R engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good comparison.
Which I think is a thing that actually exists in Japan as well.
Huh. You know what I haven't seen a whole lot so far in New Zealand? E30s. BMW E30s. Unless I'm looking in the wrong spot.
There's quite a few in garages. I know 3 people personally that have got them.
Yeah, they're getting expensive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, back home too. But like you can still get them reasonably cheap, but they are going up. But I haven't seen too many around here. And my turnoff is here.
Yep.
Okay, it's the one that has no sign.
did you find this particular spot for the meetup?
Andrew, did we look at a bunch of different places?
Nope.
Okay.
Right here.
Right.
Oh, right.
Yep. Do you have to do the loop again?
Yeah.
Jeez.
No, I've just been here before camping, and I'm like, oh, that's a good car park and nice view.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, and it also helps